India's farmers feed the nation, yet many still lack timely, trustworthy advice. Language diversity, low digital literacy, and a flood of unverified online content leave farmers using suboptimal practices and facing income uncertainty. We built AgriAdvisor to change that. AgriAdvisor is a simple, localized AI companion that gives source-verified, context-aware guidance. At its core is a retrieval augmented generation agent with a hybrid search and filters like state, crop, and month to surface the most relevant local information. Farmers can type, use on-screen keyboards in 12 plus Indian languages, or simply speak. Our voice system auto-detects the language, shows a transcription for confirmation, then forwards the query to the AI. The app remembers each user's preferred language and saves conversation for easy follow-up. Together, we are making reliable agricultural knowledge truly accessible.
Let's jump into the demo of a prototype in action. Let's begin the demo by starting the front end using terminal. The login page opens up then. We can sign in using credential or directly with Google. Here we sign up using Google. After a successful sign up, we are taken to a new chat window. Let's ask a query: what is the price of tomato in Gurgaon? The system processes the query and returns the response in the chat window. Now, as you can see, the response has been returned. Now let's log out and go through the sign up flow of the prototype. After signing up successfully by giving the credentials, filling in the details, and choosing a preferred language out of 12 options of languages, we then create an account. And as soon as we create an account, we are directed to a new chat window. Now, instead of typing the prompt, let's use the on-screen keyboard to give a prompt in English. Here we type the prompt, what is MSP, using the on-screen keyboard, and then we press the enter. The system correctly processes the query and returns the response in the same chat window. Now, let's try giving an audio input. We give the audio input in English only, and this time we ask what is the price of onion in Satara. A transcribed text of the audio is returned in the input bar so that user can identify whether the audio has been interpreted correctly or not. Once the user confirms and sends the prompt, the system correctly interprets the prompt, processes the prompts, and returns the response in the same chat window. As you can see, it has correctly responded to the prompt. Now let's try changing a preferred language. We change our preferred language to Hindi, and as you can see, the language of the page has been changed to Hindi. Now let's try giving an audio input in Hindi this time. We give the audio input, Yamuna Nagar mein aloo ki kya कीमत hai, and as you can see, a transcribed text has been returned and has been sent. The system correctly processes it and responds in the chat window. And also you can see the chat history sidebar has been updated as we have given the prompts. Now let's try changing back to preferred language, and we can see there has been an update. Now let's try logging in with an account that we already created using signup. As you can see, the chat history is still there for the same account that we gave using the previous chats. Now let's try giving an input using the on-screen keyboard in a different language, and for this instance we use Marathi. The system correctly interprets the prompt and processes it and returns the query in the chat window.
Our system has some limitations. It uses a static knowledge base, so no real-time updates like daily prices. The dataset is limited and doesn't cover all crops or regions. It runs only on a laptop, not the cloud, and voice transcription, while accurate, may still struggle with noise or accents.
In the future, we will scale through cloud deployment, integrate live mandi and weather data for real-time decision support, and enable image upload so the AI can diagnose plant diseases or pests. We also plan proactive advisories, sending farmers timely alerts based on their crops and location to help them act before risks escalate.